friends, welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. So for today, we are going to open my Stitch Fix and try everything on. It is Saturday, December 10th, I think. So we've got the Stitch Fix here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it with my tweezers because that's what's handy right now. And this has been here a couple of weeks. I kept like extending it because I had the two wannables I had to get done for you guys. And I think I am keeping that jumpsuit. It's still here. I got to make the decision today, but I think I'm gonna, because we have a party tonight, I think I'm gonna wear it tonight. So, all right, so you do have your mailer to send back anything. It is priority mail. It's just through the postal service. And then we have our letter and our price sheet, which we'll look at momentarily. Tea, which I need right now. And if I have teeth whiteners on the top, just FYI, so they look a little too bright. That is why. They won't when they come off, trust me. All right, so here we go. So we have our little bundle right here and a pair of shoes. So let's see if we've got anything fun in here for the holidays. Actually, before we do that, let's read our letter from our stylist. I have Heather. It says, Happy November Fix Day. See, it's December 10th. I hope you're making the most of all that the season has to offer before the holidays to send on us and make life a lot busier. Speaking of which, do you have any parties or casual get-togethers for which I can send you something fabulous next time? Let me know. I'm thrilled to see that you chose... Okay, so that was something I took... Alright, so I hope these curated pieces authentically show up your unique style and personality. I can't wait to hear what you think of each piece. Cheers to family, friends, food, and trends. XO Heather. Alright, so it looks kind of fun. Doesn't look necessarily like holiday, maybe because it was a fall one. So this is the first item. It is, looks like a little western booty, and it's got a little like snake skin on the back. Would be really great with, like, it looks like it'd be really comfortable with to wear with jeans. So there is that. These are in a 7.5. Very nice. Very nice. I do have a pair of black boots that I wear often. In fact, they're right here. Oh, I got cat hair and dog hair on them from laying just the way our house is. You come over, you get sprinkled with animal fur. But anyway, I do have these that I wear quite often. You can see they're kind of worn in here, but those are a little taller, so these are from Just Fab as well. So the shorter ones would be nice for, they would be nice for jeans that, you know, had a looser leg, where that one is good for like skinny jeans and stuff. Okay. Let's get into our box. I mean, our bundle. Okay, first thing is a skirt, and it is a velvet kind of orange skirt right here. Very wrinkled. It's got some pockets, very short. And this is by Skies Are Blue. This is the Shira velvet skirt in coral and in medium. If I pick these in November, that makes kind of a lot more sense for me, why I picked that color. Ooh, these look nice. These look nice for work. These are a pair of plaid, and plaid is so in right now. Dress pants. These are by Violets and Roses in a size 8. The name is Phoebe Printed Slim Straight Pont Pants. I like these. Those are the kind of stuff that I will grab over and over for work, because A, they're comfortable, and they're cute. So I hope those fit. All right, something purple. This is by Kaylee. This is the Phoenix long sleeve surplice knit bodysuit in dark purple. I'll try this on with those pants. Surplice tops are hit or miss for me. Sometimes they work well, other times absolutely not. So here we go. But we'll try it and we'll see. It's a pretty color. And then this is also very pretty. This is by Les Serene. This is a new brand to me. Les Serene Terra Woven Knit Sleeve Knit Top in black size medium. It's a thinner top. Okay, kind of like a blouse. It's got a really beautiful floral, and then the arms feel really gross. They feel like polyester in the worst way. Itchy, scratchy, probably not gonna like it. But we'll try it on. Might look pretty on, but this material is awful on here. Really awful. So, okay, so in just a few minutes, I'm gonna have my tea, and then in just a few minutes, we'll try all these on, including the boots, and we will see how everything looks together. All right, I have the little burgundy, this one is like a bodysuit. It does have like a little clip here. I don't like that the clip kind of shows, and then it's already buckling right here, which I'm not loving that. So I tried to like just take it and like pull it up tighter in the pants, but don't love that. And then I have the pants on and the boots on. Let's see if I can back up. I got dogs here. I'm trying to find space to do this because we have presents everywhere. So here is the outfit. The pants are nice. They're high-waisted. They do have room for a belt here, and then the boots. So I like these pants a lot. These are something that I can see me wearing to work. They fit nice. They feel good. Yeah, I really like these. The boots, however, too tight, number one, and let me just take one off and show you. Oh my God, I can't even get it off. It hurts. I have a bad ankle, so in order for me to wear boots, I need boots that have a zipper. These don't. Ugh. It's gonna hurt getting off my other ankle because it's bad. So they just have these little stretchy panels on the side, and they're so tight. I believe these are 7.5. Once I get them on, they're fine, but they are tight with socks, and there's no zipper, and so I know I'm gonna have, I'm gonna have to sit down to take this other one off. So these are a no. Plus, I have a pair of like boots this high that are black already. So these are cute, but not for me because I definitely need a zipper, and I will leave that feedback for my stylist. But I do really like the pants, so I may keep the pants. Not sure about this top though. Okay guys, so I have this top on, and while I'm really kind of liking the look of it, it's cute, isn't it? I do not like how this feels. This feels like gross, like plasticky. I do not like the feel of the arms at all. The skirt fits really nice currently. Let me back up. Let me put you guys, I don't know why I'm having such trouble getting this working today. Maybe if I go back here. Yeah, see, I can't go back here. I've got stuff here I'm gonna bump into, so we're gonna go back over here again. And back up here. Okay, so here it is. So it's a good length. It's right above my knees. Obviously, I would wear tights with this. I don't have tights right now. And it fits nice. It's got, still got a little bit of room. I will tell you, though, I'm on medicine that's causing me not to eat and lose weight, and it may be a permanent medication for me. So I'm hesitant to buy this. I've lost 2 pounds in 4 days. And I'm very hesitant to buy any pants or skirts or anything right now. So I'm really not sure if I'm going to keep anything from this fix until my medicine settles out and I know where my weight's going to be. But anyway, this is cute together too. This is a super cute outfit. I can't remember when I did the first part of the video because I did it a while ago. So I don't remember if I actually told you guys the prices, so let me take a look at that. I'm just gonna go over prices again really quickly. Oh my God, I thought I was recording and I did all of that and it didn't record. I am getting tired of this. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, so let me go through these prices and these thoughts with you guys. I'm already back in my PJs because I'm freezing. So let's talk about these shoes. So these shoes are by DV by Dolce Vita. They are the Frilly Booty in black 7.5, and they are only $44.99. I will tell you that's such a good price for a Stitch Fix booty, but without a zipper, it just doesn't work. I have a really bad ankle. Getting that off hurt my foot. I cannot do this without a zipper. So even though these are a great buy, and maybe one of you guys want to get them. I think they look really nice, and they were not uncomfortable. They were snug. So I would say they run a little small because I'm actually a 7 or a 7.5, and these are 7.5, and they were tight. So these run a little small, so you may want to size up in these, but if you request them, they're such a good price, and they have a nice black heel, so they were comfortable. I just couldn't get them on and off easily for me with my ankle. My ankle is permanently swollen. I've sprained it so many times, they told me if I did it again, I'm gonna have to have surgery and have to have, you know, metal put in my ankle. So these are not for me, but you might love them, and at $44.99, they're a great buy. So I do like them, they're just not gonna work for me. Next up, we have this little top with the weird, uncomfortable, like scratchy sleeves. This one is by Less Serene, Terra Woven Sleeve Knit Top in Black Medium, and it is $44. I'm not going to get it because of this weird sleeve, and also Dixie, what is your problem? She goes outside and get off my new rug. Puke. If you're going to puke on the over there. She goes outside and she eats grass and then she throws up. And she eats grass because she eats things in the house she's not supposed to, and she gets a stomach ache. She's such a scavenger dog. Anyway, so I just recently bought a shirt that isn't the same color. The background was more like I want to say like maybe this color, but it had a floral print, and it was a really comfortable, pretty sweater that I kept from them, and it had a floral print kind of like this. So I don't feel bad about sending this back at all because I have something so similar, and I just don't love this. So that's going back. I like this skirt. This skirt is cute. I think this was Skies Are Blue. Yeah, this was by Skies Are Blue, Shira Velvet Pocket Detail Skirt. This was in a medium. They said it's coral, and it was $58. So I thought this was a good length. I thought looking at it was going to be too short, but it actually was like just above my knees, so I thought it was a good length. It did have a little room already in the waist, and I am on that medicine that is making me not hungry, and I've already lost some weight. So I'm going to be losing more weight, and I just need to see where my weight's going to settle before I buy skirts and bottoms and things. I'm tempted to keep those pants, but I'm not sure. I think maybe I should wait. What is in here? Oh, is that just the tags? Oh yeah, there's like extra tags. Oh, and buttons. I felt something substantial was this. There was an extra button in here. So I think maybe waiting a month to see where my weight ends up would be a better idea than wasting my money and then being able to wear it now, but not being able to wear it ever again. So we'll see what we're gonna do. All right, this was the bodysuit, and this also is not a super soft material. It's a scratchy polyester feel material, very much like the arms on that other top. This one is by Kaylee, and it's a Phoenix long sleeve surplice knit in dark purple medium, and it's $40. So it is a good price, but with already the gapping in the middle and that button popping, I just don't think this is a good option for me either at this time. I did like it. I like the color, but the fit was a little off, and I don't like the material. All right, and then is this our last piece I needed to show you guys? Yeah, so these are those trousers. These are the Violets and Roses Phoebe printed slim straight trousers in navy, size 8. These are $58. These are fabulous, and they're just an understated plaid, and plaid is so in right now, and I really do love these, and they fit well. Again, still a little bit of room in the waist. Again, this is what I'm tempted by right here, this one, but because I would get a lot of use out of these at work, but not if I lose much more weight. Like for me being 5'2", if I lose 5 pounds, it's gonna make a difference in the way my clothes fit, and I've already lost 2 pounds this week, so I'm gonna hold off. And if you don't know why I'm taking medicine or why I'm losing weight, watch my vlogs. I'm not going to talk about it on here, but it's in my vlogs. I just did a Vlogmas that said I've got a secret to tell you, and in that vlog I shared it. But right now I am struggling with food, so I'm not sure I'm going to get these. But these are so good at $58. They wear and wash really well for me, and they look really nice, and they're nice and sleek, and you look put together because there's no buttons, and they're like pull-ons, so it's really nice. And this has belt loops, which I also like, so you can add a belt. So anyway, let me know what you think, or if you think I should just wait until a month goes by, see if this medicine sort of evens out and where my weight's going to end up. I may just have to do that. All right, so final cost for all 5 items was $244.99. You get 25% off if you get all 5 items, and that takes $61.25 off, and that brings the order to $183.74. Now, I have the Style Pass. I don't pay the $20 every month to get styled, but if you're paying the $20, then you would get an additional $20 off of this, and your total would be $163.74 for all these pieces. And I do think that these pieces all looked really nice. They weren't bad picks. They were just picks that some of them just didn't work for me, you know. So, all right, well, I am going to try to find something to eat and wait for Robert to come home. And I think I'm just going to cuddle up and watch a Christmas movie while I'm waiting for him. I think he's going to be working late today because he didn't really work Saturday or Sunday. Well, he never works Sunday, but he always works Saturday, and he didn't work Saturday because he had Christmas shopping and things to do, and nobody wanted to work. So I think he's going to be working late. He said he had a lot of work. He actually got out of the house about 2.5 hours later than he wanted to today. I called him and I hadn't heard from him yet. So yeah, so I'm going to cuddle up, maybe get some hot cocoa and watch a Christmas movie for the evening while I'm waiting for him. Yeah, we'll see how I do. So you guys have a wonderful day. I'll have my link down below for you guys if you're interested in trying Stitch Fix. If you do use it, you get $25 credit. So feel free, it'll be down below. And if you do, let me know. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you're having a very Merry Christmas and very Merry holiday. Talk to you soon, guys.